Good morning students. Today we are going to see addition and subtraction. You know what is meant by an addition and subtraction. Already we have learned to addition of 2-digit numbers and subtraction of 2-digit numbers, and we also know how to read and write the 3-digit numbers. Today we are going to see this only addition and as well as subtraction here. So first of all, what you are going to see is addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping means here the carryovering number will be there, that is mean by regrouping. So first of all, we shall see to the block representation of the figures how to add the numbers for 2-digit number which is with regrouping. And see to here the number 85 and here the number is 75. So here 85 and 75 is given. Now how to add the numbers? In the block representation we are going to see. See to here there are 8 tens. This represents 8 tens and this represents a ones place. Here these are the cubes and these are the rods. So here there are 8 rods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 rods. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes are here. So this is ones and this is tens. That is how we have written the number 2-digit number. 85 means 8 tens and here 5 ones. 5 in ones place and 8 in the tens place as we know for the addition. Here 75 is given. So 75 means here there are 7 rods and 5 cubes are here. So how to add these numbers? With the cubes we are going to add. So this is 8 rods and this is 5 rods. I have taken this, we are going to add these two blocks. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. So how to add? First in the ones we have to add. So here also 5, here also 5. So you all know 1 rod is equal to 10 cubes. 10 cubes makes 1 rod. So that only have represent by adding these two we will get 1 rod. So here there are 5 cubes, here there are 5 cubes. This is 85 and this is 75. So while you are adding the ones place you will get 1 rod here. So totally how many rods will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is what here it is. So you all know how the block can be formed. With 10 rods 1 block is formed. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till this we can take as 10 rod which can form a block. 1 block can be formed. With this 1 block is formed. So now the remaining how many rods are? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rods are here. That is what I have represented here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 block is there. 1 block is there and here 6 rods are there. That is what I have written here. So the answer will be how many cubes will be here? Totally how many cubes will be there? 160. So the answer is 160 while we are adding 85 and 75. We will get the answer as 160 because here 100 cubes will be here and here 60 cubes will be there. So here see 1 rod means totally 10. So totally how many will be there? 160. So we have found like this 85 plus 75 with the block representation, with the figure representation we have seen here. Now we shall see how to add the numbers with regrouping. We are adding 2-digit number. Add 2-digit numbers with regrouping. No? So we are going to add the numbers. To add the numbers what we have to do? We have to write the places, ones and tens. We have written 2 places because it is a 2-digit number. So ones place and the tens place. What is the number? 85 and 75. So write the number 85. 5 in ones, 8 in tens. 5 in ones and 7 in tens. So now we are going to add these two numbers. First where we have to add? In the ones place we have to add. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a 2-digit number, so you are writing outside 10 where we have found in the ones place. So write start from ones and then tens. Now take the ones place number with 0 to the ones. And now carry over the number tens place number to the tens. Like this you have to round while we are carry overing the number. This is what carry overing the number. This is mean by a with regrouping. Regrouping means you should carry over a number. and see here we have taken 1 to the tens place now. So now we have to add 1 tens, 8 tens and 7 tens. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So write the number 16 here, or otherwise you can write outside because it is a 2-digit number, no. So you can write outside, and where we have found in the tens place, no, you have to write the tens and then you have to write hundreds place. Tens place after hundreds place, you know the 3-digit number, no, you know 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. So here after tens it's hundreds place. So take 6 to the tens place and take 1 to the hundreds place. Write hundreds place and write 1 and take 1 to the down. I wrote 16 after adding the number because it is a last number, no, so we can write as 16, or you can write the number 16 outside and you can give the places and then you can take the number like this also. So this is what adding 2-digit number with regrouping. What we have done, we have added the number in the ones place first. It's a 2-digit number, so we are writing outside, and then take ones place to here, that is 0 to here, and tens place number 1, no, take that to the tens place, and now add the numbers. This is mean by carry overing. 1 we are carry overing here, taking the tens place to the tens, no. So this is mean by carry overing number. So 1 tens, 8 tens and 7 tens. Now how will you add 1 plus 8? 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. So the answer is 160. So see here, here also this answer is same, here also the answer is same. This is mean by adding 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So now we shall try to the exercise problem 9.1. See to the first question, what is given? Count the total number of fruits and vegetable seeds sown in the farm. So we are going to find the answer. We have to count the total number of fruit and vegetable. So see to the first, what is given here? 90 lemon seeds plus 30 lemon seeds is equal to dash lemon seeds. So we are going to find the answer. Here we are going to find the total number of seeds. Total number of seeds means we have to add the numbers. This 90 plus 30, we are going to add the numbers. So how to add the 2-digit numbers? You have to first write up to tens place, ones and tens place, because it is a 2-digit number. So write the places up to tens, ones, tens. So now write the numbers 90 and 30 in the places. 90, 0 in the ones, 9 in the tens, and here 30, 0 in ones, 3 in tens. Now add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, how to add the numbers? 9 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So 9 plus 3 is 12, so you have to write outside because it is a 2-digit number. So write the places from tens and then hundreds. Simply you can write 12 here, or otherwise you can write the places where we have found in the tens place. So you are writing tens and then hundreds. So take the tens place number to the tens, 2 to tens place, and take 1 to the hundreds place. Here we didn't write the hundreds place, no, so write the hundreds place and then write 1 here. So now here there is no number in hundreds, no, so you can take 1 down. So the answer is 120 lemon seeds. So now next question is 54 tomato seeds and 69 tomato seeds. We are going to find the total number of tomato seeds. To find the total, we have to add these two numbers. So how to add the numbers? First we have to write the places, ones, tens. Then write the numbers 54 and 69 in the places. 54, 4 in ones, 5 in tens, and then 69, 9 in ones and 6 in tens. Now add the numbers. First we have to add in the ones place and then only we have to add the tens place number. So 4 in the mind and 9 in the finger. So we have to add, say after the number of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a 2-digit number. So you are writing outside 2-digit number. Now give the places ones and then tens. Take 3 to the ones place and then 1 to the tens place. You are carry overing the number, which is mean by with regrouping. So now add the numbers in the tens place. 1 tens, 5 tens and 6 tens. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. It's a 2-digit number, so you are going to write outside. Or otherwise you can write directly 12 like this. Because it is the last number we are adding, no, so you can write like this or write outside and give the places from tens because we have found the 12 in the tens, no. So take 12 and tens first and then hundreds. Now take 2 to the tens place and 1 to the hundreds place. Here we didn't write a hundreds place. So write as 100 and carry over the number 1 to the hundreds. Now write the number 1 down. So the answer is 123 tomato seeds. And see the next question, 36 capsicum seeds plus 47 capsicum seeds. We are going to find the total number of capsicum seeds. To find, we have to write up to tens place number because it is a 2-digit number. So write up to tens place. Now write the number 36 first and then 47 second. 6 in the ones, 3 in the tens, and 47, 7 in ones and 4 in tens. Now add in the ones place and then add the tens place number. 6 plus 7 is 13. Now give the places, ones place and tens place. Take 3 to the ones place and tens place number to the tens, that is 1 we have to carry over. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, 1 tens, 3 tens and 4 tens. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So answer is 83. So totally 83 capsicum seeds. And the remaining 2 things you are going to do as your homework. 44 brinjal seeds plus 67 brinjal seeds. You are going to find the total number of brinjal seeds. And then 75 cucumber seeds plus 48 cucumber seeds. You are going to find the total number of cucumber seeds. So this is how to add the 2-digit numbers without regrouping. With regrouping we have seen. Now we shall see to the second problem. See here, Bindu and Rakesh show 75 pea seeds while their parents sow 66 pea seeds. How many seeds does their family sow in all? So here Bindu and Rakesh sow some of the seeds and their parents sow some seeds, that is 75 and 66. So they asked us to find how many seeds does the family sow in all. So we are going to find the total number of seeds that their family sow. So to find, we have to add the numbers. First we have to add number of seeds sown by Bindu and Rakesh. You know the number, no? Bindu and Rakesh, that is 75 pea seeds. So write the 75 in the places. Hundreds place are there, tens place are there, ones place are there. There are 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. So 75, 5 in ones, 7 in tens. 5 in ones, 7 in tens. And see the next, number of seeds sown by their parents. How much? 66 pea seeds they sow. So write as 66, 6 in ones and 6 in tens. Now we are going to find the seeds, how much they have sow in all. So to find that, we have to add the number. First in the ones place and then in the tens place. 5 plus 6. First we have to add ones place number. 5 plus 6 is 11. It's a 2-digit number, so we are writing outside 11. Where we have found in the ones place, no? So start from ones and then tens. So write 1 to the ones place. And here take 1 to the tens place, that we are carry overing the number 1 to the tens place. So what are the numbers are in the tens place? 1 tens, 7 tens, 6 tens. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8, 6 is 14. So write the number 14 outside because it is a 2-digit number, no, in the tens place. So start from tens and hundreds, or simply you can write as 14 here. Take 4 to the tens place and 1 to the hundreds place. So now write 1 in the hundreds place. So the answer is 141. So how much they have sown totally? Total number of seeds sown is equal to 141. So this is the answer. How many seeds does the family sown in all? 141. And see the next question. You are going to do this as your homework sum. Bindu and Rakesh collect 58 and 48 pebbles respectively. How many pebbles do they collect in all? So here Bindu and Rakesh collected some pebbles. So that is 58 and 48. So Bindu collected 58 and Rakesh collected 48. That is mean by respectively means orderly. First whose name is there, that number we have to take first. And then the next second name is there, no? For second name the second number, that is mean by respectively. And here the number of pebbles collected by Bindu is 58. We have to write in the places. And then number of pebbles collected by Rakesh is 48 pebbles. So write second in the places, ones place and the tens place. And then add those two numbers to find the total number of pebbles collected. So do this as your homework sum. Now we shall see to the fourth problem, that is fill in the boxes. So here the problems are given here. I am going to do some of the questions and your rest of the things you are going to do as your homework. See to the first one, 28 plus 36. So first we have to add these two numbers and we have to find the answer now. So 28 plus 36, the 2-digit numbers we are writing up to tens place. Now write the numbers 8 in ones and 2 in tens, 6 in ones and 3 in tens. Now we add these two numbers, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 is 14. So give the places ones place and tens place and take 4 to the ones place number and tens place you have to carry over the number 1 to the tens place. Now we add these three numbers, 1 tens, 2 tens and 3 tens. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 64. So the answer is 64. And the first question itself, the remaining two things are given. So see here how to do this answer. So here there are two blanks now. So how to do? Here the number, so here the sign is subtraction sign. The minus sign is given here. So here to this number, any number is subtracted from this means you will get the rest of the answer. So to the number 64, while we are subtracting 28, you will get the remaining answer as 36. 64 minus 28. If you need do and see 64 minus 28. So 4 minus 8. We have to borrow the number from the tens place. So before number of 6 is 5 and you are taking the number 1 to here. So 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. So here 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is 36. So while we are subtracting any number to this number, you will get this number. Any number means this number, any of this number, 28 or 36. So while you are subtracting any of the number from this, you will get the remaining number. So here you are subtracting 36 to this number, you will get the remaining answer which is 28. While you are subtracting any of this two number to this, you will get the remaining one. What you are subtracting now, the rest of that number, remaining number will be the answer. So here also 64 minus 36 is 28. 64 minus 28 is 36. So this is the thing. And see to the next one also, 57 plus 49. 57 plus 49. So now add this two numbers. 7 plus 9 is 16. So write the number 6 in the ones place and 1 in the tens. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 106. 106. And now while you are subtracting any number to this number, any of these two number, while you are subtracting the number, the rest of the things you will get. While you are subtracting 57 to this number, what answer will be? The answer is 49. Likewise, while you are subtracting 49 to this number, you will get the answer as 57. And see to here. The next sum, 73 plus 65. Write the number 73 plus 65. First ones place and then tens place. Add this number 3 plus 5, 8. Then 7 plus 6, 13. So the answer is 138. So 138 minus 73 is answer 65. So here 138 minus 65 is answer 73, and the remaining also the same thing, same procedure only. You are going to do that as your homework. First you have to add the number like this and then you have to write that number, and the rest of the answer you are going to write and you are going to fill in the boxes given here. So what we have learned today, addition and subtraction. So we have added 2-digit number with regrouping. With regrouping means there will be any carryovering number in any of the places, tens place or in the hundreds place it will be. So do the homeworks what I have given for you. Thank you students.